To add an email automation, go to the top of the page and click Deal Automations. As an important note before we begin, in order for the email automation to trigger properly, you must already have a person contact record associated with the deal. The person contact record needs to also have an email address, as that's where the email we will send will go to. This page will update to remove all of your deal cards and show only the automations for each stage. If you have yet to create an automation, this page will appear empty along with a 0 at the top of each column. Decide on the appropriate stage for your automation, then click on Add Deal Automation. A menu will appear prompting you to select one of the 4 available automation. Click Email, then click Continue. An empty email form will appear with various prompts for text entries. In the From field, select the email you want to use to send the notification. In the Reply To field, enter another email that users can use to reply when receiving this notification. This is the subject line. Enter a subject as you want it to appear in the email to your recipient. This is the message field. This is where you will input text that you intend to send to your clients. As you enter text, a preview will appear on the right showing what your message will look like to the recipient. There is no limit to the number of characters you can have in your email. If there's anything you wish to attach to the email template, simply click this Attach button, then locate the file on your computer. There is a cumulative attachment maximum size of 20 megabytes. However, there is no limit on the number of files you can attach as long as it does not exceed this file size limit. This automation also allows you to inject personalization options into the template. This is a useful time-saving tool that can auto-inject data specific to each client. Let's use an example. Instead of leaving our subject line as hello, we can say hello, then add the code for business name. When a person receives this message, it won't read hello business name, but will instead read hello and actually say the business name as it appears in your contact record. For example, if the business name was Dave's Auto Body, this would read hello Dave's Auto Body. This is useful as your automations will go out to every client that enters the pipeline. If you want to learn more about personalization options, be sure to click the link in the article below. Finally, at the bottom of the message field, you can actually use the Use Template button to select the template you've already made in the Templates app. If you create a new message and happen to really like it, you can click this button to save it as a new template. As always, be sure to test your email before sending it out to clients. Remember that testing an email will expend 1 email send from your subscription plan. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Finally, we have the option to set up an action delay. By default, automation will occur immediately after a deal card is dropped into the stage. However, you can delay this automation by using this menu. Here, you can use the drop-down or enter a number to select how many days you would like to delay this automation, or you could delay by hours or minutes. Finally, you can set a description of this delay so that you know why this automation is being delayed for various reasons. When you're satisfied, click Continue. Congratulations! The automation has been created successfully. You can now see your automation in the appropriate pipeline stage. Notice that it shows that we are sending an email, and we are delaying it by 1 day. This means that when a deal card drops into demoed scheduled, approximately 1 day later, they will receive this email. Be aware that when creating automations, it is also relative to the other automations in the chain. You can see here that this automation will come first, as it is only delayed by 1 hour, 1 minute. Then, this email automation will happen approximately 1 day later, followed by another email that will happen 1 day and 30 minutes later. This is everything you need to know about creating email automation in the Deals app.